Let us talk about several categories of machine learning. The categories are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, semi-supervised learning. In supervised learning, labeled data is input to the system, which meant the machine is aware of the type of data and the outputs expected well before, and the entire challenge is to identify correctly. In the image, we can see an example where apple and strawberry are labeled inputs and output for the future inputs are ready. There are two main categories of supervised learning. One is called classification and the other one is called regression. Classification helps to predict the categories in the input data. Like identifying the kind of fruit we have seen falls under classification. Regression comes into picture where there is a linear relation between input and output. For example, predicting house rents per year in a locality falls under regression criteria. Some of the applications of supervised learning include spam detection, speech recognition, image identification, cases like identifying trends based on previous data.